And hello there, Plamo fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the Warrior from MAILES. We have the 1/72 MAILES Kenbu. Yeah, so this is the first 1/72 that I will own, and this is the first model kit of this line produced by Bandai Spirit. So on the box art, we can see MAILES Kenbu here in his complete form, and of course it's a 1/72. Onto the side, we can see him, some information about the Kenbu, front and rear, what action poses you can do with him. Of course, it also talks about his mobility right there. On to the other side, we see the pilot ammo, and of course the AI that is accompanying or helping ammo in piloting this mecha. We see Guy, and of course we have information about the show here. Now opening up and seeing what's inside the box, we first see one bag with 2 sprues, one all black and one multicolored, and of course we see some sticker sheets. Second bag is all black, 2 sprues. Third bag, 2 sprues, one white, one all black. Fourth bag, the last bag, we have all white here because yep, as you can see earlier, he was all white. And yep, the instruction manual where you see MAILES Kenbu, ammo, and Guy. And earlier I said it was in a complete form because included, and this is how it first appeared with an incomplete state. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first off, we have the A sprue here, which is multicolored. We have some red, we have some white, some yellow, and some clear parts. So most of this, I guess, is for the arms, I guess. Yeah. So that's the A sprue. We have a B sprue here, which is all black. So we see some parts for the waist, some more parts for the body, manipulators. We also have a C. Again, back to the all white. More parts for the body, I guess, and the arms, shoulders. A D1. And a D2, which is also white, and more armor parts. Now, unlike Gundam, where D1 and D2, oh wait, yeah, only this part has been replicated and added. So yeah, just same with the Gunpla. Some parts are duplicated, some are the same and not. And again, we have an E1, which is all black. So yeah, looking from this is the extra parts for his unfinished state, and an E2 with some more parts of that unfinished state, and of course the weapons that he has, and a G1, which is for some connectors and stuff. And lastly, we have a sticker sheet. And there you have it, Plamo fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the 1/72 high-grade MAILES Kenbu from the Warrior from MAILES. And this is basically what saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the video, sharing and liking them. And until next time, see you and thank you.